If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in basic level where we are solving previous year Tripura University questions for diploma first year on topic limit. So in this lecture we will be solving from question number 15 to question number 23. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. If you come to 15, a function is defined by whether this is exist or not. For this existence, again what we will do, we will do left hand limit and right hand limit. So what is LHL? Limit x tends to 1. At 1 they are checking. So at 1 actually this has two branch, one below 1 branch, above 1 branch. So 1 minus will come to here, 1 plus will go there. So 1 minus f of x will be equal to limit x tends to 1 minus, and what is your f of x? 2x plus 1. So if you put 1 minus means it is not minus 1, it is very less to 1, 0.99999999. So that is 1 actually, so 2.999, that is actually 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, so it is 3. And again RHL is limit x tends to 1 plus fx. So 1 plus what you will do, limit x tends to 1 plus, which branch it will go? 3 minus x. So again 3 minus 1, that is 2. So left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, therefore limit does not exist, DNE. If you come to 16, again this is a rational fraction is there, so you rationalize it. So you can see this x square and this will cancel out. So ultimately what will left, limit x tends to 0, x into 3 plus root 9 minus x square. Now you put x equal to 0, see whether there is any problem or not. So it is 9 minus 0, so no problem, 0 into something is 0, we know that one, so that is your answer, 0. So this one again you have seen so many times. To take care of this e, you need to divide by x. To take care of this log, you need to divide by x. So let me bring 1x and let me do it a little bit faster now. So instead of x I am writing 3x because I need to make it 3x, and then limit x tends to 0, and this is x divided by, or you can think it 1 log 1 plus 5x divided by 5x into 5. So 5 would get cancel x, so this x will come here. So 1x I have given extra, you can think 5 get cancelled, this x and this x will get cancelled. So that extra x I have given for this one also, so that all becomes formula. So this you can write it 3x and 5x with one more line, because if x goes to 0 then 3x goes to 0, if x goes to 0 then 5x is also goes to 0. So this one will become 1 into 3 plus this one is 1, so it is 1 by 5. So it is 1 into 3 into 1 by 5, so that is 3 by 5 is your answer. So if you put x equal to 2, it will be 0 there, denominator is also 0, so it is undefined. So you can factorize numerator, denominator, it will be x minus 2 into x minus 3. I think we have solved one type of this, so it is getting cancelled there. So you can put x equal to 2 minus 3, answer is minus 1. So you can see here 10x sin x is there, but here x cube is there. So if you take 1x for this one, 1x for this one, then 1x square will, 2x will remain in the denominator. So in that case, if you take care of suppose 10x by x, 1x is given for this, 1x is given, so to segregate this one, you still will left with x square. So in that case, if you put 1 by 0, that will be infinite, so you cannot go that way. So I have to use all 3x in these formulas, in this tan and sine. So what I will do, because it is 2x, so I have a chance, I could write it sine 2x by cos 2x minus 2 sin x divided by x square. Why I am doing so? Because I need to use all 3x. So if you take LCM, it will be x square into cos 2x, and in numerator it will be sin 2x, I am writing 2 sin x cos x, and then it is 2 sin x into cos 2x. I have taken 2 sin x common, and here I have kept it and this way. So 2 sin x by x will give you, this will give me one formula, that is 1. So 2 into 1. So this cos 2x also you can put limit and take this side, so because that is also not creating any problem. So if you put it limit x tends to 0, 1 by cos 2x, 2 into 0 is 1. So this also I bring in here. So I left with this. Why I am left with this? Because this will give me 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square x, and here also I can write it 1 minus cos. If I give minus, 1 minus cos, this will also give you 2 sin square x by 2. So what is the benefit? Because now 2 sin is there, 2 sin is there, so I can use this x square. It will be 2 into limit x tends to 0, and if I segregate it two part, I am writing it x by 2 tends to 0, because here it will be x by 2. So again you can see how many extra you have given. This is sin square, okay, this is only x square is okay, x square, but this 2 is extra, so this 4 is required, because 2 2s are 4 you have given, so 4 is I have given extra here, and then denominator, so it should become here, so 4 will get cancelled. Now if you check this one, So this is 1, so 2 into 1 minus 2 into 1 by 4. So 2 into 2 minus half, that is 4 minus 1, that is 3. So in 19 it is x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x by x square. So again you use this one, 1 minus x cos x is 2 sin square 2x divided by x square. So here for 2 sin square is there, so that's why x square is also there. So there will be no issue. I am writing it 2x tends to 0 for this formula. Now again you can see it is only x was there, so I am writing x square is okay. So this 2 is given extra, so 2 square, this 4 will come here. Because it is 2 square 4 I have given extra, so to cancel out that one I have given this 4. So this becomes 1, so 1 into 2 into 4, that is 8. So if you come to 20, you have a direct formula. Limit x tends to 0, tan inverse x by x is equal to 1. Still if you want to do it, if x is going close to 0, then your tan inverse 0 is also going to 0. So that means your theta is also, if you put 0 here, you can see your theta is also going to 0. So you write it in this way, tan theta is also goes, and this one is tan theta by theta. So what is the formula? Limit theta tends to 0, tan theta by theta is 1. So it is 1 by 1. So that is 1. So limit x tends to 0, 1 by tan x minus 1 by sin x. So here what you can do, so this tan x we convert it into sin and cos. So if you take LCM, it will be cos x minus 1 by sin x. So if you take a minus common, it is 1 minus cos x by sin x, and 1 minus cos x you can write it 2 sin square x by 2 minus, and then sin x is 2 sin theta, I am writing 2 sin theta cos theta. So 2 get cancelled, this sin x and this sin square is get cancelled. So you are left with minus tan x by 2. Now you can easily put 0, it will be minus 0. So 0 is no problem, so you can write it 0. So that's why 0 is the answer. So again you have seen for E1 we need one extra 1. So I am writing it directly now, e to the power 13x minus 1 divided by 13x multiplied by 13. And this is 13x 0. And again limit 7x tends to 0. This will be minus. You can think of it to the power 13x minus 1. Then minus e to the power 7x minus 1. So that minus get cancelled. Once we have done this one in earlier questions also. So this one I have given extra, and this one in this one you can see minus plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So this I have divided by 6, I have segregated this by x and this by x. So 13 I have given extra to make it all 13, 7, 7, 7. So this 7 will get cancelled. So if you put now, it is 1 into 13 minus 7, that is 6 is your answer. So in 23 limit x tends to 0, sin x plus h minus sin x by h. So you can apply sin a cos b. So it is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So you can take sin x common from this one, limit h tends to 0. So this is the idea. So what we will do, we will take sin x common from these two. Here x is not variable, here h is variable. That you have to be careful, because here h tends to 0, not x. So whatever the limit they have given limit on h. So h becomes variable for you, not x. So limit h tends to 0, it will be sin x. And if I put 1 minus, so it will be 1 minus cos x, that you can write it sin square h by 2 by h 1, and then minus again limit h tends to, I am segregating this one, and cos x sin h by h, because this will be a formula, sin h by h will be 1, this will be cos x only from that side. Sorry, it was plus, because it is sin a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So this will be plus, this will be plus. So to take care of this sign, you need 2h, sin square h square, because this 2 is extra, so that's why I am giving 4 here. But h is also only 1, you have given 2h, so you need to give 1h. So this h will take care of the extra h, this 4 will take care of this one. So it becomes now minus sin x into this is 1 square, and this is h, I am putting 0 and then 4, because this h is extra. So numerator you can put 0, there is no problem. In the denominator 0, then there is a problem. So it is 0 plus cos x is the answer. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.